Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks so much for stopping by. Please make sure if you've not subscribed, you subscribe down below if you like DIY hairstyles and other DIY projects. And what else did I want to say? Okay, let's get into today's business. So I wanted to show you how I did this hair. I've been with this hairstyle for the last 1 week and I'm loving it. It really looks natural, and the front side, I love the way it came out. So I wanted to show you how I did this. It's long and straight, looks like so. So I'll leave in the description box what everything I used, and without further ado, let's get into the video.
You will need a hair extension of your choice, a pair of scissors, a needle and a thread. And then for prepping your head or your hair, you need to put it on lines. You will need to have lines done if you can do it them yourself. If you can do them for yourself, yeah, more power to you, girl. Go ahead. Yeah, I like to do them in this style. As you can see in the picture, I find it easy to work with them when they're like so. So the first step is measuring your hair extension on the bottom line. You're going to start from the bottom upwards. So that's what I just did, and then trim that out. Cut that out, and then you're going to secure it around that the bottom line, I mean. So we're going to secure that in using our needle and the thread, like I'm doing here. So just knit that in and be very careful not to pierce your fingers. So actually this is the whole process on the whole head. We're just going to use the needle and the thread and yeah, put our extension on by knitting it on. I hope you get what I'm saying. So let's go ahead and knit that on. I have done most of the parts, and now we're going to do the very final one. And here I'm just going to hold the hair back to get out of my way. So basically for this final one, we're going to try as much as possible to hide the thread and maybe the base of the hair extension, just to make it look as natural as possible. So that's just what I'm going to do. We're going to start from the very base of the hair, like I'm doing here, and thread that upwards to the middle section, which will be visible. So when you get up here, you're going to, like just the way you knit your clothes from the inside part, then you turn your cloth on the other side. So that's what the same concept I'm using here. But basically, however you do it, however you choose to do it, just make sure you have in mind that you have to hide the hair, the threads, the thread you're using, and the base of the hair, so that you have a finished look which looks a bit more natural. So just watch and see how I'm finishing up, because these just, I mean, the part which will be more visible to everyone. Okay. So just watch, and I'll after that I'll show you the final result.
Thank you so much for stopping by and for watching. Please make sure you subscribe down below and share with your friends. Sharing is caring. Alright? Okay. Bye bye guys. I'll see you in my next one.